Hello, I'm Milt Tandy. I'm the president of WireCrafters, and boy, do we have a lot going on. So back about 5 years ago, we opened up a 26,000 square foot area back where we added a lot of welding capability. And when we did that, that was the only expansion that we had planned. And we thought that would take care of us for at least 5 to 10, maybe even 15 years. So that was a big deal for WireCrafters to add that 26,000 square foot addition. But now, as you look around, what you're seeing over here is the cage area where we always kept all the hardware, put everything together for all the jobs that we shipped out. And all this empty space that you're looking at here, this was our shipping dock up until about a week ago. So the shipping area was probably about a 30,000 square foot area, and it was really tight, and we only had about 6 or 7 dock doors that we could work with on a regular basis. Although we have a few more doors, we just needed the space in front of those to inventory different products. So when we take a look at the new building, you're going to see that we have got so much more area to work with. So after the product goes through the powder coat system in the other building, you see the yellow line coming through here. We have a tugger, something similar to what you would see in an airport. And behind that tugger, there are 4 very large carts so that we can put a lot of inventory on those carts, panels that are up to 12 feet by 5 feet. And the other thing we're doing in the old building, currently we have 1 powder coat line. We are in the process right now of adding a 2nd powder coat line. So everything that comes out of WireCrafters will have a really nice powder coat finish. Okay, so now we're in the new building. So this is like 67,000 square feet. So we've more than doubled the area for the shipping and receiving area that we had before. This puts WireCrafters at a total of probably 310 to 315,000 square feet between the other building and this one here. This entire 67,000 square feet is for inventory for finished goods, and it's for our shipping department. We now, as you can see, have 13 dock doors. If you were a truck driver around here, boy, it used to be a little tight getting in and out. Now we've got plenty of room out there for the trucks to get in and out. We've put up a WireCrafter cage for a driver cage for the drivers to come in. We've got a lot of storage area over here for jobs that are scheduled, getting ready to ship in the next few days. We've got them on racks ready to go. So it's been a fabulous move. Our VP of Operations, Rich Horn, put together a great plan. And over the past week or two, we've got everything moved in and things are looking really good. In that area that we came out of earlier, the old shipping area, that's going to be an innovation area. It's going to be a marketing area where we're really going to be able to show off some of the different products and applications that we have at WireCrafters. So we look forward to doing more updates once we complete the old building and make it new again.